Hello and welcome to the video. In this video, I'm going to show you and explain to you a specific Instagram marketing tip and a strategy on how to market with Instagram. That is very simple. So let's just get into it. As you can see here, this is the account of Selena Gomez, and this is the account of Yanis. Two different screenshots. You probably know who Selena Gomez is, and just in case you don't know, she's a very famous singer. So if you see here, what Selena does, she writes in the bio a specific, caption meaning words, something that you write here, and then she puts a link here to her shop, and then because of her shop, like she sells there different bags and fashion items and things like that. And as you can see here, she has 144 million followers. So because of her shop, she makes millions and millions and millions probably each month. So this is something you want to do when you have a product that you want to promote, or a service that you want to promote, or you just want to build up a list of emails. And I'm going to show you and explain to you how to do it. So you have that list of emails of different people that visit your profile, and then they basically, you can just send them different emails promoting your products, your services, so that they buy. Because let's say you have a website. If a person goes in your website, visits your website, and they just click on it, then they see what you have to offer, and if they don't like it, they just go away, and then probably they will not click again your website. But in this case, if you have their email, then you can just use it and then send them different emails with your products, your services, and it's something that you keep your list, you keep their emails, and even if Instagram goes away, or even if you do this strategy even on Twitter or Facebook or whatever, and they just go away, let's say Instagram goes away, Twitter and Facebook, you will still have that list, and you can use that list to promote your items even if Instagram or whatever social media goes away. So in this case, Selena has a shop and promotes her shop. Jan is here in two different examples here. In one example, he promotes the lead page